As the bushfires rage, it's difficult to talk about numbers. 10 days ago, the Insurance Council said there had been just over 2,300 claims worth more than $180 million. Now we're well over 5,000 claims with a total bill of $321 million, and there's still a way to go. It's estimated the smoke haze alone costs Sydney's economy $50 million a day. If you look at insurance shares since November, when the claims started rolling in, insurer QBE has been less affected because around 60% of its business is offshore. It's different for Suncorp and IAG. IAG says it's received 2,800 claims and expects the cost to be around $160 million as at the end of December. Markets were going well, led by Wall Street climbing to a new record high, but events in Iraq changed all that. Australian shares had some ground to make up after the sell-off earlier in the week. Rising oil prices saw the energy sector performing strongly. Gold miner Northern Star Resources completed its acquisition of Kalgoorlie Lakeview. Oil prices surged following the developments in Iraq, and gold continued to climb as well. Iron ore had a golden run last year thanks to supply disruptions. On the other hand, prices for coal have never been worse thanks to increased supply and falling demand, and it's not likely to get any better. Prices for Australia's commodities are still above average, but they're falling fast. This index is hovering around 12-month lows. The Australian dollar is also falling fast. It's lost half a US cent and is well below 70 US cents, and that's finance.